to mention that, para makita mo, okay? Yan, pero yan, we're so happy for you, Angela. Kakaiba yung kasikatan mo na talaga. Tomorrow, pala streaming ng may CEO thinks I'm a robot, di ba? Kayong dalawa ni Carlo Aquino. But now, Viva One's launching Dating Alice Perez Reddy. Ibang-iba na ang career mo ngayon. Sobrang sikat. What can you say?
I'm grateful po. Actually, lagi ko to sinasabi na it doesn't sink in, pero it never really does. Parang I can't fathom the idea na I'd be the lead in a series, and this is actually the second season. So I'm so grateful po to Viva, to all my supporters, and to God, of course. Thank you so much po.
Sobrang yung blessings, no? I'm sure yung mom mo after, she's really watching you, di ba? Ginagayin ka.
Actually, she's at home right now, I heard. And I before I left, I kissed her and said, "Wish me luck, Mom." And I feel like she's always watching over me.
Yeah. Again, congratulations. Siyempre, eto, ang Bongga Ravin, kayo pa rin magka-partner.
Apo.
Pero siyempre, may ka-triangle, di ba?
Yes po.
Are you ready? May ka-triangle na kayo. Siyempre, kailangan mas extra effort on your part, di ba?
Opo, ready naman po. Kasi parang sa season 1 naman po, yung Seducing Drake Palma, meron naman po kaming love triangle, si Dylan, kaya
si
thankful
Dylan.
din po kami sa kanya. Yan po.
Pero etong si Sid kasi parang pagkita mo ngayon dito, ang tangkad, talagang parang outstanding din no? Naisip mo yun?
Po?
Naisip mo na parang mas hindi ka ba mas na-threaten? Oo.
Hindi naman po. Tropa ko po kasi si Zeke.
Okay. Yeah, oo. Yan, Sid, congratulations. Sid, yan. Hindi ka ba na-pressure? Kasi pinalitan mo dito si Dylan Menor, no? Siyempre siya yung unang gumanap. Tapos ikaw, ano yung paghahanda na ginagawa mo o ginawa mo? Kasi, siyempre, may gumanap na sa role na to before, di ba? Yung mga fans, for sure may mga hanap-hanapin. Ikaw ba mapapromise mo na hindi nila mamimiss Dylan kasi kakaiba yung pagganap na ibinigay mo dito na tinodo mo lahat?
Well, I think for me naman po, hindi po talaga may iwasan na mamiss si Dylan because he really did portray Trick really well, exceptional. Kaya, pero may preparations din naman po, of course. I watched season 1 and then now I'm reading book 2, and especially the script. And may mga workshops naman po. Kaya, definitely prepared naman po.
Yan, ang galing mong salita, no? Oo. Kakaiba, oo. Yung iba sabi, mo-modulate ba siya? Ganyan talaga yung boses mo.
Yes po. Lalo na pag malapit yung mic.
Yeah. Can you tell us more about yourself? Saan ka nag-aral? Graduate ka na ba ng college? What? Mas maging familiar kami sa'yo.
Yeah, right now I'm still studying, guys. I'm a third year tourism student. So yeah, working
Where?
student. Well,
Where?
sa school po in Las Piñas. It's called Southville po. Southville po.
Sa Southville International School. Yeah, it's so nice, near my house. Yeah. Pero yun, congratulations kasi ikaw na yung sinabi ba nila sa'yo, you're taking over as yung role natin ni Dylan. Ano na feel mo?
Yeah, it's a very unique situation kaya I was very surprised po. And yeah, regarding the question po kanina, I definitely felt the pressure po, of course, especially for someone who portrayed Trip so well. Pero yeah.
Yeah. Pero may laban?
I'll try my best, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah. Pero ikaw, Angela, what do you think? Kasi syempre nakasama mo na siya, nakailang episode kayo, nakapag-taping na kayo. What do you think? Si si Sid bilang the new trip? Yeah.
Meron po kasi silang ibang atake as Trip Palma, so that's something to look forward to. Both are great actors. Wala naman po ako magsabi in terms of acting. I guess it's just their own take on the character that we have to anticipate.
Yan. Okay, pero eto si Direk muna. Kasi baka magtampo siya sa akin, PB close ko si Direk eh. Friendship.
Hi, Sir Jun.
Ayan, congratulations. Talagang hindi ka na pinakawalan ng liba.
Yes.
Oo, talagang hindi ka na makakagawa sa...
Ayun na
hindi
akong pakawalan ni Papa.
mukhang hindi ka na makakagawa sa iba. Oo.
Parang,
Oo. But you're enjoying naman.
of course. Siyempre, trabaho to. Nag-i-enjoy ako sa...
Oo. Actually, may nagpapatanong dito, mas mataas ang TF sa season 2, Direk?
Sorry, confidential.
Pero yung ngiti mo, parang ngiting panalo, parang yes.
Parang nasagot ko na sa ngiti ko.
Ayan. So obvious, ang bongga ni Boss P. Pero Direk, eto na, second season, dapat namin expect dito sa Dating Alice Perez compared sa Seducing Drake Palma?
Actually, sa visual pa lang, nung ginawa ko yung SDP, ang visual peg ko talaga is cotton candy. Lahat makulay, lahat masaya, lahat matamis. Pero pag nagpunta ka ng DAP, Dating Alice Perez, ang visual ko is glass and metal. It's really, really serious. It's really matured. Kasi this is after 4 years ng SDP.
Okay.
So mga college graduate na sila at nagtatrabaho na sila. They are all professionals. So madaming seryosong eksena. And then I think ang aabangan nila dito is yung range ng acting ni Zeke, ni Angela, at ni Robin. Kasi sobrang bigat ng pagdadaanan nila sa kwento. Doon ako na-excite. Papunta na kami sa shoot na yun, sa part na yun eh. Yung range ng acting nila, na matured na sila. Hindi na sila high school dito eh. So yun yung abangan nila at mahuhusay yung tatlo.
So how do you find Sid as the new trip?
Zeke is really good actually. Nung una kaming nagkita pa lang yan, binigyan ko siya ng assignment. Panoorin mo yung season 1, after mong panoorin, basahin mo yung book. Tuwing nakikita kami, napanood mo na, alahati na raw. Nakita ulit kami, napanood mo na, tapos na po na rin. Very good, o basahin mo na yung book. Kasi kailangan pumasok sa sarili niya yung character ni Trip Palma eh. And then yung TAP, sobrang bigat ng character ni Zeke.
Yeah.
Mawawasak talaga siya dito emotionally. Kaya binigyan ko siya ng warning na paghandaan mo. Even Robin and Angela, ginagawa namin yung Werewolf Boy, sinasabihan ko na sila na paghandaan yun, DAP. Sobrang bigat ng DAP. So lahat yan, wina-warningan ko sila kasi nga medyo challenging talaga yung roles nila.
Yeah, you're satisfied with Sid?
Yes, of course. Iba yung iba din yung flavor na binibigay
Oo.
ni Zeke.
Kasi kanina sinabi ni Angela, iba yung atake.
Iba.
Sasabihin ko, bakit iba? Isang character. Now, I understand kasi it's after 4 years, di ba?
Yeah, after 4 years.
Okay lang na mag-iba. Kasi
Yes.
di ba, lahat naman tayo nagmamature. Diba?
Exactly.
4 years is 4 years, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero direct congratulations and
Salamat.
good luck for the second season. Etong Dating Alice Perez nga, di ba?
Thank you, Sir Jun.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Pili.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir June, for that first set of questions. Coming up from our TikTok content creator, let's hear from Sab Santos.
Hello guys, hello. Hi! Yes, congratulations sa season 2. Yung first question ko is for Direk and to our author, Miss Arisa. Sa SDP kasi, there were some changes in the storyline kasi medyo sensitive yung topic eh. And then for DAP, there are also some issues din na I think the fans also noticed kasi nga matagal na ito nasulat. Will there be changes or how faithful yung storyline for the adaptation to the
Yung DAP kasi, meron talaga akong hindi pwedeng tanggalin kasi pag tinanggal ko siya, mababawasan yung character arc ni Drake Palma. Yun yung mga sensitive matter, I think na minimension mo. Hindi ko siya pwedeng tanggalin. Nandun pa rin siya, Kasi doon siya masasaktan ng sobra eh. Doon siya i-challenge as a person, as a character. So I think kung may binago mang kami is towards the end. Kasi si Arisa, binigyan kami ng permission na itong buong season 2 ng SDP, DAP, ang request niya is yung book, yung content ng Wattpad hanggang episode 15 lang. Kami na bahala sa 16. So iyon yung kailangan abangan ng mga tao kasi hindi nyo alam mangyayari kasi kami na yun eh. And nagustuhan niya yung gusto namin puntahan towards the end.
With regards po sa yung content ng book 2, before pa ako po actually mag-agree with Viva na gawa ng adaptation yung book 2, I raised some concerns with Direk na yung book 2 hindi to kagaya ng SDP na teenager na kilig-kilig lang. Yung book 2 kasi it actually tackled a lot of sensitive issues. So I told Direk na if gagawin natin to, we really have to discuss kung ano po yung mga gagawin. Not to give spoiler kasi may isang scene doon na pinag-usapan talaga namin ni Direk if we will keep this scene and then yun nga, we discussed na we have to be faithful to the book but at the same time we have to make everything make sense, hindi yung nandito lang just for the sake na ilagay siya. So we really discussed na okay, nandito to pero i-explain natin bakit tayo dumating sa point na ganito. So yun po, and as discussed with Direk, I actually requested po yung last episode na kasi super heavy po talaga ng book na to. So I just wanted to wrap everything up na happy ending. And not spoiler, pero maraming mangyayari. Pero yun, alam mo yun, parang close the book in a good way for everyone po.
Yes, I think also maganda rin yun kasi as someone na nabasa yung libro, grabe rin naman yung ending, nakakalungkot for, hindi ako magbibigay ng spoiler. So, yung next question ko is for any of the cast. In real life, if you will experience yung same breakup, kasi nung nag-break si Alice and Drake, if na-experience nyo siya in real life, would you take Drake Palma back?
Okay, let's ask the new cast, ang mga bagong mukha. Okay, dito sa site na to, no? Okay. Would you take Drake back? Okay, Ashley daw muna. Ashley.
Is this as Pierre or as me?
No, as you, sa real life, kasi di ba si Drake doon, without any reasons actually nakipag-break siya. And
Yeah.
then after
Yeah.
several years, gusto niya makipagbalikan. In real life, would you do the same? Magbalikan ka?
No. Yun lang, no. Kasi I think for me, it's really important to know your worth. And if kaya kang iwan ng books. Anyway, yeah, if it's important to know your worth. So if iniwan ka for no reason na hindi niya in-explain sa'yo, I think you didn't get considered sa situation na yun. And it's really important to consider the other party when you're doing something, let alone iwan mo, diba? So yeah, no, thank you.
Alright, let's hear from Julian.
Super gets ko po yung answer ni Ash. Cause like, girls should really know their worth. But I read the book po and I think Miss Arisa, iniwan po siya ni Drake kasi umiikot po yung mundo ni Alice kay Drake, right? And I think he just really wanted Alice to grow. And nung nakita niya nag-grow na po talaga sila individually apart, and I think nakita na ni Drake na, okay, maybe this time it's possible. So, given that case, I think yes, I would take Drake back. And personally po kasi, I give unlimited chances to my lover. So, yeah, that's that one.
Alright, so we have a no, we have one no, one yes. Okay. Okay na. Do you want... Okay, go lang. Whoever wants to answer, sige.
So in my opinion siguro, I would not take second chances kasi parang in my opinion po, pag pinakawalan ka na, may chance na pakawalan ka ulit. So, di ba? It will always be a taint in the relationship, di ba? No relationship is perfect, pero kapag may taint na, wag na.
Gab, okay? Gab? Do you have an answer?
Well, honestly, di pa ako nagkaroon ng relasyon, so... Pero, I think if both of them are individually matured enough to understand, and if there's enough communication in the relationship, if ever, in any scenario, if they're willing to change and commit, maybe I'll give a second chance. But if not, I think it's better to find a new person.
Okay, we're good over here. May gusto pa bang sumagot on the other side, or shall we continue? Alright, okay. Sige, we'll get one last answer and then we will move on. Sarah Jo.
I feel like in the story kasi, it really is a special case. If, like, both answers na yes and no, I resonate with both Ashley and Julian's answer na parang in a relationship, if it comes to a point na you need to let each other go, you should know to call it quits na. But at the same time, in this case kasi, I feel like Drake had Alice's best interests in mind na he needed her to like love herself more. And I feel like yeah. Feeling ko each case is very unique po, and if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. Amen.
Can we also get yung answers kung
Oh, sure. Okay, let's ask Zeke also the same question. Okay, Zeke, Angela, Rabin. All right.
Feeling ko po kasi, feeling ko no din po ako eh. Kasi feeling ko in general, like, may pagka-red flag talaga to si Drake eh. Kaya, si Drake pre hindi si Ravi eh. Pero yeah, baka no din ako.
Baka bias ka lang. No? Okay. Let's hear from Angela.
Ako naman, I feel like for Alice, maybe no. Kasi there was a better way to do it. There was a better way to break up healthily. You didn't have to leave Alice out of the blue with no explanation, and she just didn't deserve it. And also with what happened in the book, and I can't spill anymore. Pero if I were Alice, if Alice was a real, like, if I were Alice in real life, I would say no. Pero in the book, yes, kasi baliw na baliw siya kay Drake. Yun po.
Ako yes. Yes, kasi kaya lang naman niya iniwan si Alice kasi mahal na mahal niya eh. So yes. Bibigyan ko siya ng, bawal. Yun, yes po. Thank you po.
All right. Thank you.